In this tutorial, I'll show you how to flip an object in Adobe Illustrator horizontally or vertically. I have a graphic open in Adobe Illustrator. I'll show you several tools you can use to flip this graphic in multiple ways, horizontally and vertically. So I'm going to select the graphic. First thing you can do is go up to Object, Transform, Reflect. This will open up this little box and flip it vertically, which is what I've done. You can also flip it horizontally. Let's just do it vertically for now and click OK. All right, let's undo that. You can also go to your toolbar on the left, and under the rotate tool, if you click and hold it, there is a reflect tool. And if you have your object selected, double click on this reflect tool and you'll get the same menu that I showed you a minute ago. And again, you can preview it. And another way you can get to this tool is by going to Window, Properties. And in your Properties menu, you have the flip horizontally and flip vertically tools right here in this box. So you can just quickly do it with these tools. If I wanted to mirror this guy, you simply just copy and paste one on top of the other, flip horizontally, then you can move it to exactly mirror the graphic in front of each other. So that's how you quickly flip an object in Adobe Illustrator. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and comment on this video, and subscribe to Crye Studio for more Illustrator and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.